Let me show you the difference here. This is the pitiful little standard screw that's holding your door shut, keeping it from being kicked in. That's it. This is what we're going to replace it with. So you can see the difference. Which one do you think is going to do a better job? So we're going to need a number 2 Phillips driver for our new screw. These are the new screws, 8x3. The stores have a gauge to let you test the size of your old screw. Try to match the diameter so it'll still fit in the holes. 1/8 inch drill bit to drill our pilot hole. Here's the old screw. That's all that's holding in your door, that little tiny thing right there. And this is going to be the new one, the replacement screw, 3 inch, nice and robust, much more secure. The old screw. Hard to follow the instrumentation here. Make sure the seat is out. It's easy because it's a tiny piece of shit screw. Yeah, I know, you think the screw's a lot bigger. That's just pitiful. But I'm gonna go with the manlet screw now. So again, we're going to get in here and drill a pilot hole. I'm going to follow the original path for the most part, the path of least resistance. You know, it's not terribly straight. Somebody else had mentioned using a piece of bar soap to lubricate the screws, so we're going to try that on this one. See if it makes any difference. Here's our robust screw. Drill our pilot hole. So we're going to get that started. And up. Get the drill. So drive that home. And there's also a bit of soap on there for lubricant on the threads. There you go, nice and flush.